How to enable hidden accessibility features. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable hidden accessibility features. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to enable hidden accessibility features, you will need to use built-in shortcuts like triple clicking or dedicated accessibility menus and stuff like that. So first, what we'll do is locate our settings app, then tap on it. After you open up your settings app, you'll need to go to accessibility. So scroll down on the settings till you find the accessibility option. Head over there. And on accessibility, you'll find multiple options. So find the shortcut, look for accessibility menu or accessibility button. So there you can see accessibility menu, tap on it. And now you can simply toggle this button on and tap on allow. Go through all of this. Then you can now use the accessibility menu, which will appear right here. Tap on it. And there you can see the menu. Now you can use this for volume up, volume down, recent apps, and everything that you normally do with your Android. And yeah, you can also turn it off. You can tap on the accessibility settings to go to the settings again and use it. So this will give you access to all of the features, and yeah, it will make it more accessible. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.